Welcome guys back to my another video. Today I'm gonna show you this amazing fraction sum, and don't try to do it by calculator as it is having so many numbers and like it's kind of mixed fractions, but let's do it step by step. Oh, one thing. So before we jump to this question, if you haven't already subscribed to this your own math YouTube channel Coach Veer, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up as I have the goal of making so many subscribers like 3000 at least at the end of this month, and I know absolutely there's no other way to make this happen without you guys. I can do that only with you, otherwise it's impossible, importantly, and I will really appreciate it. Okay guys, let's start this. So in mixed fraction this is just like 1 plus 1 by 10. So what we can do here is separating them as 1 plus 4 plus 1 by 40. Like we can do this stuff, right? I am just doing it quickly. 10 plus 1 over 154 plus 13 plus 1 over 238, and this 16 plus 1 over 340. Now you guys, you can think that these are normal numbers, not fraction numbers, so we can separate them as 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16, and the other fraction one which are also in the add can be separated in another group, like 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 88 plus 1 by 154 plus 1 by 238 plus 1 by 340. Right here, adding this is very easy. Like let me show you. 16 plus 1, 17. 10 plus 7, 17. 4 plus 13, 17. So it's just 3 times 17, right? You have to see this. Okay, hope you are seeing it. Fine, let's move further. Now what about this part? Are we seeing any connection over here? Okay, let's see. You are seeing here 5 times 2 or some 8 times 5, right? So we seeing a connection that 5 times 2 or 2 times 5 you can make it. So you can simply write this thing as 5 to the 10 plus 5 times 8, right? And this thing as 8 times 11, and this thing, I'm not filling up the numerators now, but let's make some sense over here. 11 times how much it is, like I think it's 14. Yeah, 14, because see, 14 plus 14, if you do, it's 154, right? Okay, let's do the next one, and I have some feeling that 14 will come with here also, and whatever is left that you have to find out by division. 238 divided by 14. Can you comment what can we have here? Like you can use your brain or whatever you want and tell me the answer in the comment. Waiting for your comment, waiting. So it's like 17, I think, if you and I are correct. So next one is starting with 17, right? So 17 times, this one is very simple. 17 to the 34, so simply 20, right? So here is what we got, all the denominator. But what about the numerators? Can we do something about numerators? Here we can make up things like 5 minus 2 or 8 minus 3, because then it will be a telescopic series, right? If you don't know what my previous videos, you will find out what's a telescopic series. So if I write 5 minus 2 over here, the difference is 3, but how I will get 3 if I have 1 over here? I have to make it 3, right? So what I can do here is I can multiply the 3 up and down in the outside the bracket, so that everybody inside will get 3, and this denominator 3 will be keeping outside, and the numerator 1 will go on inside, making everybody as 3. Because you see here, 8 minus 5 is also 3, 11 minus 8 is also 3, 14 minus 11 is also 3, 17 minus 14 is also 3, 20 minus 17 is also 3, right? So moving on further, you can see that this is 51. Let me do it. 7 3 is a 21, 1 2 on the top, 3 1 is a 3 plus 2 51 plus 1 by 3, and let's go for the inside work. So if you separate the numerator and denominator, like 5 by 2 times 5, or minus 2 over 2 times 5, and same way you do it over here, plus 8 over 5 times 8 minus 5 over 5 times 8, or dash dash dash. I am doing the last one so that you come to know 20 over 17 times 20 minus 17 over 17 times 20. Now what we see here, we see that if we subtract, means cancel out this thing, it is just 1 by 2 left, it is just 1 minus 1 by 5 left, it is just plus 1 by 5 left, and it is just minus 1 by 8 left, and so on till you get the 1 over 17 minus 1 over 20. So inside stuff in a telescopic series usually get cancel off, and this thing will get cancel off. You just get 51 plus 1 by 3, and in the bracket 1 by 2 minus 1 by 20. And it's very simple, like you can make it 0 and 10. So it's 51 plus 1 by 3 times, what's this, minus 1, just 9 by 20. And you can cancel out this 3 with this 3, so that it is just 51 plus 3 by 20. And as the question was in mixed fraction, let's make it look like 51 3 oblique 20, the answer. Was it that difficult? No, if you know the telescopic series. For that you have to solve it by this your own and check this. Importantly, these questions are very often in all those exams, and really, if you have any questions about this today's video, you just leave a comment down below, and I will be getting back to it as soon as I can. But then that's very much thank you for you guys to watch this video, and if you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.